DJI is famous for its cutting-edge drones, revolutionizing aerial cinematography and professional photography. The much-anticipated DJI MAVIC 4 Pro is rumored to be the next groundbreaking addition to their flagship MAVIC series. Expectations are sky-high, with speculations about major upgrades in camera capabilities, battery life, transmission range, and overall performance. This drone could set a new standard in aerial imaging technology. In today's video, we'll dive into the rumors surrounding the DJI MAVIC 4 Pro and explore what exciting features it might bring. Without further ado, let's get started. The main highlight of the DJI MAVIC 4 Pro is expected to be its camera system. DJI has always focused on camera quality in the MAVIC series, and the MAVIC 3 already offers impressive features like 5.1K video recording at 50 frames per second and 4K at 120 FPS. However, the MAVIC 4 Pro might take things even further with an 8K resolution sensor. This upgrade could bring incredible detail and clarity to aerial footage, making the MAVIC 4 Pro a top choice for filmmakers aiming for breathtaking visuals with unmatched sharpness and vibrancy. While the MAVIC series is known for its video capabilities, the demand for high-quality still images is growing. To meet this need, DJI is expected to equip the MAVIC 4 Pro with a 48-megapixel main camera sensor, similar to the one in the recently released DJI Air 3. This would be a significant improvement over the 20-megapixel sensor in the MAVIC 3, allowing photographers to capture stunning aerial shots with amazing detail and resolution. For professional drone operators, flight time is crucial. Longer flight sessions mean more creative freedom and flexibility. The DJI MAVIC 4 Pro is rumored to have a substantial increase in battery life, possibly surpassing the 50-minute mark. This would be a big leap from the current MAVIC 3's flight time, offering more operational freedom. It would also be ideal for cinematographers and photographers who need to capture multiple takes or shots from different angles without constantly changing batteries. Reliable, long-range connectivity is crucial for professional drone operations, ensuring seamless control and real-time video feedback. The DJI MAVIC 4 Pro is expected to feature OcuSync 4, the latest version of DJI's transmission technology, offering an impressive 25 km range for transmitting 1080p video. This significant upgrade from the MAVIC 3's 15 km range could open up new possibilities for search and rescue operations, large-scale surveying, and long-distance filmmaking. Details about the DJI MAVIC 4 Pro's release date and pricing are still speculative. Industry insiders suggest the drone might not be available until late 2024 or early 2025, aligning with DJI's typical 2-year development cycle for its flagship MAVIC series. As for pricing, the MAVIC 4 Pro is expected to be premium, reflecting its advanced technology and professional-grade capabilities. However, DJI's commitment to delivering exceptional value means it will likely be competitively priced within its segment, appealing to both professionals and enthusiasts. The DJI MAVIC 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in aerial cinematography and professional drone photography. With rumored features like 8K video recording, a significantly improved telephoto lens, extended battery life, and enhanced transmission range, the MAVIC 4 Pro promises to push the boundaries of consumer-grade drones. As anticipation builds, drone enthusiasts and professionals eagerly await official confirmation from DJI regarding the MAVIC 4 Pro's specifications and release date. Regardless of the final details, one thing is certain: the DJI MAVIC 4 Pro is set to redefine aerial imaging and reinforce DJI's leadership in the evolving drone industry. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video fascinating, please share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel.